Ready to move your USDT from Binance to your Telegram wallet with total confidence? First, open your Binance app and tap on the wallet icon, typically located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your funds overview. Next, find USDT in your wallet. It may be listed under Spot, Funding, or Earn. Once you've located USDT, tap on it to proceed to the USDT wallet details. Now that you're in your USDT wallet, tap the Withdraw button. This initiates the process of sending your USDT out of Binance. You'll now see the withdrawal screen. This is where things get specific. You'll need the correct address for your Telegram wallet and the corresponding network. Head over to your Telegram wallet. In Telegram, find your USDT wallet within the app. Copy the receiving address. Make sure you're copying the USDT address specifically and double-check for any errors. Return to Binance and paste the USDT address you copied from Telegram into the address field. Then, carefully select the correct network. The network on Binance must match the network supported by your Telegram wallet. Finally, enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. After you have put the receiving address, network, and amount, you will have to confirm your transaction.